interview with Metroid Cat. How does it feel now that you're internet famous? Do you want to make any comments on why your people are the laughing stock of the internet? Are you telling me you made a time machine out of a DeLorean? Hi. It's been brought to my attention that you've been showing up a little late for your shifts. I don't know if I need to tell you, this is not Cracker Barrel or Burlington Coat Factory. We expect you to be here on time. Please don't do that. We've been over this and over this.